Hello friends, this video will be helpful for people who are traveling to Malaysia in these COVID times. In this video, we will be seeing the process and documents which I went through for traveling from India to Malaysia during this quarantine period. I traveled during the month of March 2021. I already had a visa to enter. The process may change for new visa holders. Please note this process may change from time to time. Please check the official websites of Indian and Malaysian immigration for the up-to-date details. The tickets can be directly booked in the Air India Express website and there is no agent required to do this. The price will be approximately 15,000 to 17,000 or 18,000 rupees depending from where you are starting from, and you will get 20 kg for your luggage allowance. First, you need to get the entry approval from Malaysian Immigration Department. They call this as the DGIM approval. You need to talk to your agent or company to get this approval. For some agents, the approval letter can only be downloaded when you pay for the quarantine stay. Check with your company or agent for this. This approval may take approximately 4 to 5 working days or even more. Next, you need the LOU, that is the letter of undertaking, from the nearest Malaysian embassy in India. For getting the LOU, you must provide them with the letter of undertaking signed and scanned copy, then the air ticket, DGIM approval and passport front and back scan copy, and if you have the visa scan copy as well. You may get the LOU within a day or two. Next, you need to take the COVID test within 3 days of your departure. So if you are traveling on a Sunday, it is better to take the test on a Friday or even Saturday. Make sure you get the COVID test only from the authorized labs. The list is available in the website icmr.gov.in. I took from a private lab and you will typically get the results in about 6 hours. You can pay for your quarantine stay at safetravel.myeg.com.my. You will have 3 options here: standard, premium and luxury. The operation cost of 2600 ringgit is common for all these 3 options. For standard quarantine, it will be 150 ringgits per day. So it will be 1050 ringgits for 7 days, and with operation cost of 2600 ringgit, and the COVID test which you will be taking in the hotel will be for 250 ringgit. So overall for standard quarantine you may need to pay 3900 ringgit. For premium quarantine stay, your cost may vary between 5200 to 5700 or 800 ringgit, and for luxury it will be more than 5800 ringgit. In the airport where you are doing the check-in, you need to show the DGIM approval and the LOU letter which is provided by the embassy to you. COVID test is not mandatory at this point in time because you can take the same in the KL airport as well by paying. If you are taking the COVID test in the Malaysian airport, your hotel quarantine stay will be for 10 days. If you had already taken the COVID test in India or abroad, the quarantine will be for 7 days. You should have installed the MySejahtera app. You can do so by connecting to the KL airport Wi-Fi after landing as well, but better to have it installed before landing. After landing, first thing they will ask you to scan the app, fill the details. The officer there will help you. You should know the complete address including the district where you are going to stay in Malaysia. One officer will verify this, and there will be 2 different queues for people with the COVID test and for those who don't. If you have the COVID test, proceed in that correct queue. They will check if you have already paid for the quarantine stay. If not, you may need to pay first and then come back to this same station again. If you have already paid, they will ask you for the receipt and also the LOU letter which you had filled and sent to the embassy for the approval. Please note, this is not the same letter which is provided by the embassy, but the letter which you sent for them to approve. After this, you have to proceed for the immigration check. This is not done the regular way. You need to get into a room and provide your passport to the officer. They will collect and keep it. In this time, you need to be waiting there. When the officer calls you, you can go and get your passport stamped for entry. Depending on the crowd, this may take from anywhere between 30 minutes to 1 hour. After the stamping is confirmed, you can proceed to exit a small gate. They will again check for your quarantine stay payment receipt and ask you to be seated. If you have booked for standard quarantine, usually the waiting time takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour. The officer will inform you which hotel you are going to be sent for quarantine. If you have booked a premium quarantine, you may be called earlier to exit the airport. For standard quarantine, after waiting, the officers will come and guide you to the luggage area where you could pick the luggage and you will be shown your way to the exit to board a bus. They will sanitize your luggage before boarding. The bus will take you to the hotel which is allocated. Usually this travel to the hotel takes about 1 to 1.5 hours as most hotels are inside the city. Once you reach the hotel, you will be guided by few officers there to the backside of the hotel. You may need to stand in queue, pay deposit to the hotel if the hotel requests so. They prefer cash as it can be refunded immediately while you are vacating. The deposit is usually around 200 ringgit. Once the deposit is paid, they shall record your passport details, get the LOU letter from you and take you to your room. For 7 days or 10 days depending on your quarantine stay, you should not be coming out unless you have been notified. You will be coming out once for taking a COVID test on your 5th day of stay if you are staying for 7 days. Once the COVID test is confirmed negative, they will provide you a discharge letter. If you are going to travel to a different state from KL, please take the police letter from the hotel as this will be required for the interstate travel at this time. I will be providing the links of all the websites which we have discussed in the description. If you are interested in knowing about the quarantine stay, please write in the comment section. I will make a separate video for that. Thank you.